All right, let's talk about something important, building a blueprint for your own financial growth. We're going to lay out a real step-by-step guide that's built for anyone who feels like they're starting from square one.
There's this idea that making money is some kind of cosmic lottery, right? That it's all about luck or who you know.
But what if that's just not true? What if it's not a game of chance at all, but more like learning a recipe? A clear set of steps that anyone, and I really mean anyone, can learn and follow. That's exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to break down the simple, practical moves you can make to start earning, even if you're looking at a bank account with a big, fat zero in it. So where do we possibly begin? Well, the foundation, the concrete slab that this whole thing is built on, is learning a skill. And I'm not talking about something vague. I mean real, tangible skills that people and businesses are desperate for right now. Think about it. Video editing, graphic design, writing good content, managing social media. These are things you can learn, a lot of the time, right from your computer. And here's why that's so important. Look, a job can disappear in a flash, but a skill, that becomes a part of you. It's this tool that you carry with you forever, and nobody can take it away. That's real security. Okay, so you've picked a skill, you're learning it. Now what? Well, having the skill is just part one. Part two is using it to actually solve a problem for someone else. That's how you create value.
This right here is the big mindset shift. Seriously. Stop asking, how can I make some money? And instead, start asking yourself, what problem can my skill solve for other people? Because the money, it's just a byproduct of the answer to that second question. And it's a super direct connection, right? A YouTuber is struggling to get clicks, that's their problem. Your graphic design skill, creating an amazing thumbnail, is the solution. A small business has no idea what to post on social media, your skill is the solution. It's that simple. You've got the skill, you know the problem it solves, now it's time to actually get in the game and take that very first step. And honestly, the easiest place for pretty much anyone to start is online. And you don't need a bunch of money to do this. You can hop on freelancing websites, you can start a simple social media page just to show your work. Heck, you can even just tell your friends and family what you're doing. The goal isn't to build an empire on day one, it's just to start. I'm telling you, that first $10 you earn is the most important money you will ever make. It's not about the amount, it's the proof. It's the universe telling you, hey, this is real. You just traded a skill for money. Once you do it once, you know you can do it again. So once you've got that first skill humming along and bringing in some cash, you can start thinking bigger. You can start building a real financial safety net. And this is where the power of multiple income streams comes in. But listen, you don't try to build 5 things at once. That's a recipe for disaster. You start with one, you master it, get it stable. Then maybe you add something small, like a little affiliate marketing on the side. Then slowly over time, you can add other things. Eventually, you can even use that money to invest and build passive income. Just picture it this way. One tiny little stream can get blocked by a single rock. It's fragile. But when you have a bunch of small streams all flowing into the same place, they create a powerful river. That's what gives you real financial stability that can withstand the bumps in the road. Now, this all sounds great, I know. But we have to talk about the hard part, the unspoken truth. The number one reason why most people who try this stuff just quit. Because when you start, the feelings are almost always negative. You feel like, I have no clients. Nobody's looking at my stuff. I'm not making any sales. And that feeling, it's a crossroads. Most people stop there. The other path, the one that works, is defined by your actions. You feel like you have no clients, so you learn more about marketing. You have no views, so you work on improving your craft. You just keep going. At the end of the day, this whole thing is a game of persistence. Success doesn't just show up for the most talented person or the luckiest. It shows up for the person who had every reason to quit and just didn't. So let's just boil this entire blueprint down to one single idea, one core belief. Money isn't magic. It's not this mysterious force. Money is a result. A result of what? A result of everything we just talked about. It's the outcome of you deciding to learn something, of trying and probably failing and trying again, of constantly improving. And most of all, it's the result of you genuinely helping other people. So there you have it. The blueprint is on the table. The steps are right there in front of you. The only real question left is, what's the first step you're going to take?